Hello and welcome to our quick guide on how to use the iSAMS iStudent app. This video will help you through the steps to access important information on your student portal app. You must have received your login credentials via email. Once you have them ready, go to Play Store or App Store and download the iSAMS iStudent app. Enter your school code, iBOS, enter your username and password, then click on the Sign In button. Welcome to your home page. Here, you'll find a clear overview of important information such as your timetable, bulletin, and calendar events. On the bottom of the home page, you can see the dashboard. Right here on the home page, you'll find today's events. This section keeps you updated on any upcoming activities or important dates. Now that we're familiar with the home page, we will look into other sections one by one. Let's take a look at the student profile. Under the student profile, you'll find your school record, school timetable, assessment and reports, attendance, discipline, reward and conduct information. The test student has not been allocated to a timetable in the video. Timetable section provides you with a detailed view of the schedule, including their classes, subjects, and timings. Next, we'll look at the school assessments and reports section. In this area, you will find two types of reports: termly reports and school assessments that are your weekly reports. Next is the attendance section. In this area, you can monitor your attendance records easily. The attendance is marked as present, absent, or late. Let's take a look at the discipline record section. In this section, you can see if you have received any discipline notices. This includes details about any incidents that may have occurred during school. You can also check for any detentions you may have received. Let's look at the rewards conduct record. In this section, you can see the rewards you has received for positive behavior and achievements. Now, let's move on to the school information section. Finally, under photo galleries, you'll find pictures from school events and activities. We regularly post updates here, so you can see what's happening in our school community. First, we have the daily bulletin, which provides you with information about that day's events and any important announcements from the school. Next is the school calendar. Here, you can view important dates and events in a variety of formats: weekly, termly, and monthly. This feature is great for planning ahead and ensuring you don't miss any key events. To get help on any part of iSAMS, you can click on Help on top left corner. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the iSAMS parent portal. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our admin team.